Hey guys, your favorite joker slash clown is in town. I'm just joking. But for real, it's true though. Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, today I'll be coming to you with something different. So I'll be doing this Halloween tutorial and I'll be doing the clown look slash joker. As you can see guys, I already went ahead and did my entire face, including my brows, foundation, contour, and highlight. So first I'm gonna start off with my eyelids, in which I use this black gel liner to put on the bottom part of my lid, and then went ahead with the Morphe 3502 palette and take that black shade, which is Wiz, and use it to put over the black and then blend it a little. After going in with that black shade, I'm going to go ahead with that red shade from the same palette, which is Fire, and use that to blend out the harsh edges. After blending that out, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black and use that to do a soft wing. After completing the wing, I'm going to go in with the same liquid liner and use that to do the thingies on my face. So guys, just watch and enjoy. I was very nervous doing this because it is my first time ever trying something like this. I went ahead and smudged my bottom lash line using the same black gel liner with the black color from the Morphe 3502 palette and the red shade. I'm going to go ahead and add the red glitter from NYX and also use the NYX glitter primer. So first I'm going to put the primer down on the points of the spikes and then go ahead with the glitter on top. I also went ahead and add the red glitter to my inner tear duct, and then I'm going to go ahead and complete my next eye off camera and come back and finish up my face. So guys, now that my eyes are finished, I'm going to move on and complete the rest of my face. So first I'm going to start off with my lips, in which I use the same gel liner, the black one, and add that to my lips. Then I'm going to go in with the black Opal red lipstick and add some glitter, the same red NYX glitter in the center. After finishing up my lips, I'm going to go ahead and add my blush, and this is the Black Radiance blush. I'm going to add the blush and then go in with my highlighter, and then that would complete my entire look. The highlighter that I'll be using is the Shayla X Colourpop in Boomin, and I'll be using that on the eyes part of my cheeks, down the center of my nose, the tip of my nose, on the center of my forehead and on my chin, and I'll also be placing it beneath my brow bone. So here you go guys, this is my completed Halloween look, my clown slash Joker look, and hope you guys watch, enjoy, give this video a thumbs up, share it, like, comment, and also go ahead and subscribe. Thank you, bye.